10 things you didn't know about the Spanish flag. The current design of the Spanish flag was adopted in 1981, following the death of dictator Francisco Franco and the transition to democracy. The red and yellow colors of the Spanish flag are thought to have been inspired by the colors of the Spanish coat of arms. The Spanish flag is one of the few national flags in the world that does not feature any text, symbols, or images. The Spanish flag is also known as La Roja Gualda, which is a combination of the words rojo, red, and gualda, yellow. The flag's aspect ratio is 2:3, which means that it is twice as wide as it is tall. The Spanish flag is flown in a unique way in certain official buildings, with the coat of arms appearing in the center of the flag. The Spanish flag is traditionally flown on public holidays and during special events, such as military parades and sports competitions. The flag is also used by the Spanish Navy as a naval ensign, which features a different design with the coat of arms in the center. There is a strict protocol for the use and display of the Spanish flag, which includes rules on how it should be flown, folded, and stored. The Spanish flag has been subject to controversy and debate, particularly in relation to the use of regional flags and the role of national identity in a diverse and decentralized country.